Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I am in my little corner in my room, in my desk. This is where I do my crafting, I study, and do many things. But anyways, I am here because today it is the fall tree decorating extravaganza. So you guys know that I live in a small apartment. I do have a Christmas tree, but I have it put away. I went and I picked it up. It's in my pantry. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to DIY a mini tree using the Dollar Tree mini trees. So I want to make at least a, I don't know, maybe four, maybe a, so these are some tiny, so small enough to put on a little table in the corner and decorate it for fall. I do have more of this Christmas tree. I have two more black ones, so that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to use 6 Christmas tree. But before I go on with this collaboration is hosted by Lifetime Design with Teresa, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, at Home with Lisa, Debbie Bubbles, myself, Deborah Cabassa, Home Living, Designs with Emma, and Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden. Guys, if I forget anybody else that come after I do my video, I make sure that your name is linked in my description box below. So guys, I have to go to my closet and look for the other one. So this is going to be easy to put together. I'm going to be using zip ties. I did one of these mini trees many years ago, about 4 or 5 years ago when I was living at the other house. And I decorated for Valentine's and Christmas, and it was beautiful, guys. So we are going to repeat that same process, but we are going to decorate this one for fall. And guys, we are getting ready for the home tour. So I hope you're ready, and I hope you enjoying us. So guys, let me go grab my other two little trees, and let's get started, guys. If I can. Well, guys, here I got my 6 trees, but there's something that I just noticed when I opened the package. Guys, I'm gonna have to make it work. Full complete black, and the fall colors, black and fall. So what I'm going to do then, I'm going to use these two for the top, and then I will blend them in there, guys. So yep, that's what I'm going to do. And also I have to take out this part, which will come out easily, so we can attach them. I'm only going to leave one of them. And also I have this, but I think this is gonna be way too big for it. Yeah, it's gonna be quite big, but hopefully I could use this for my house tree. So we're going to start by, so I want to leave this two for the top, and I have this two and I have this two. So first we're going to start by spreading this. You want to spread it flat, to the sides, because um you're going to put them like so it looks nice and full. So I hope you guys are doing good. We are doing good over here. I want to thank Teresa, for inviting me to participate and co-host in this collaboration. I truly appreciate it. Hopefully my zip ties are long enough. So let's see. Hmm. So let me put this zip tie here and put this together. Let's see. Yeah, these are long enough. I don't want to bore you with just me putting this together because really this video is about decorating the tree, but I'm showing you, you don't have a big tree available, you could do a mini tree, and that does not stop you from participating in any collaboration that you want. So yeah, guys, you can see without this because this is so small. I think I got this backwards. All right, guys, let me put this together and then I'll bring you guys back. So guys, this is what I'm doing. As you guys can see, I'm using the zip ties to put it together. But before, when I did one of these, I didn't have zip ties. So what I do was I use my hot glue gun. So you just put it, make sure that you open it like that. You don't pinch your branches in there and it's hard for you to spread out. Just put your zip tie as hard as you can. Okay, these are just four of the little trees. So as you guys can see, so this is what it's looking like. So, and then I have the two black ones which I want to use for the top. So like that, when I put my bow, it'll go very nice with it. So yeah, and also, like for an example, you see my tree is like one starts here. You could tell the one starts there. Those are the ones on the top. And what I did was the other ones, so I put them a little bit higher. So when you fluff them out, it doesn't look like, because all of this is going to be fluffed out. So it's going to look nice and going up the right way. It's not going to look out of proportion. So we're going to do that. I'm going to put the other ones in the top. I'm going to put the black ones. So like I said, you see this is the top right here. So for it not to look out of proportion, so instead of putting this over here at the top, I will put it right here. I will spread these branches out. I will put it right here, and then everything will look nice when you open it. So guys, I'm going to continue doing that. I'm going to do that, and let's see. I save for the bottom part for it to stand. So I did. I saved some of the little legs, so it will stand nicely, as you guys can see. And then when you open it, you will have a little 3 foot, not 3 foot, I don't even know, a couple of inches tall. So I'm going to put the black ones and I'm going to bring you guys right back. Now what I'm doing is I'm fluffing it out. I put the top part. So now I'm going to fluff it out and see how it looks. And if you have some parts that are sticking out more than others, take your metal wires and you could trim the tree to look just, you know. So I'm going to do that because this is going to take time. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to bring you guys back. It looks a little bit lopsided from the top, but it's all right. Let me finish fluffing it out, and then I'm going to bring you guys back. Okay. All right, guys, here's my little tree. It's all put together. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my pliers, they're actually called metal, and I'm going to cut like where the tree is, the bottom of the tree. You know, when you fluff it out, you see this bottom. It's always going to be wider when you attach the tree. So I want to make the tree look like it's just one tree going up. So I'm going to, I don't have much because not a lot of them came too long, but I'm going to, like, for example, here, I'm going to cut little piece here. Okay, and I'm going to make it like it's just going up. Okay, so I'm going to do that, and then we're going to get to decorate it. So yeah, guys, this is a step-by-step tutorial how to use the little mini trees from the Dollar Tree to create one taller tree. So in this one, as you guys, I show you guys, I have 6 of them, but if you want to make it taller, you're going to need 8 of them, and you could do them like so. So I'm going to be trimming all the zip ties, and then we're going to get to decorate it and show you where I'm going to display it. Well, this is what it looks like after giving it a haircut. I try to cut it as much as I could to make it looking up. It might need some more trimming here on the black one, as you guys can see, and then there's the top. So, but I think I'm going to leave it like that because it's going to be full of decor for the fall season. So yeah, guys, this is a very easy DIY. So yep, and he stands like that. Now I don't know, let's see how this looks. It might look like it's way too big, but of course I have to take out. I think I'm going to use this metal thing. Once I take out the legs here, once I take out these little things, I will put it in there because this doesn't open. You have to put the tree in there, then at the bottom to hold it up. So now let's decorate our tree, guys. Let's decorate our tree. I'm going to show you what I'm going to be using some flowers. I was going to use this bowl, but it might look like it's too big. I don't know, I'm not sure. But I do have flowers that I'm going to be utilizing. And I got, what is this, acorns. But also I have like pumpkins. And I also find these Halloween ornaments, you know, fall ornaments. So I'm going to add this on the top to bring the color up. So yeah, guys, let's start doing that. So the flowers, what I'm going to do, it's not going to be a big thing with the flowers because the flowers, you just cut the stem. I'm going to leave the greenery. I'm just going to move it up, and I'm just going to place the flowers like so through the tree, and we're going to finish decorating our fall extravaganza tree. This is what my little tree is looking like. You guys can see. Now I gotta move it, put it where it belongs, and then finish decorate it and show you my end results. And of course, I gotta put a topper. I don't know what I'm going to use for a topper, but we are going to figure it out, guys. Yes, we are. So let's put it where it belongs. Well, guys, I am ready. Are you guys ready to see it? Are you guys ready? You guys can see the topper. Okay, this is what my DIY from beginning to end, my mini pencil tree looks like. Here is my topper. You guys can see I'm using a burlap bow that I already have previously made with some eucalyptus on the top and a pick from the Dollar Tree. And as we go down, this is what my little tree looks like. I added some little uh what is this? Oh my goodness, buffalo check little bows that you get from the Dollar Tree. I also added a garland with leaves and some mini pumpkins. I am going to add more stuff to it. I ran out of what I bought. I thought I had enough, but obviously you could still some bare spots. But I am going to be adding some more. But this is what I have from now. But I think it turned out very beautiful. I added my I have some DIY pine cones here, and I'm have it sitting on an antique table from the 1930s. So I added a big flower here from the Dollar Tree. As you guys can see, it's decorated all the way around. I love it. I think I did a fantastic job. And of course, a gnome from the Dollar Tree with the candy corn colors to match the top of it. Guys, I hope you like it. Tell me what do you think about it. And let me leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. Teresa, thank you for inviting me to co-host or host in this collaboration. Bye bye, guys. Bye bye, guys.